हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक। इट्स मी आर्या एंड यू आर वाचिंग इंडिया आईपीओ। आज हम बात करेंगे उन टॉप 10 कंपनीज के बारे में जो अभी तक लिस्ट नहीं हुई हैं। चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं इस वीडियो की। 10th नंबर पे आती है अमालगमेशंस। इनकी मार्केट वैल्यू है ₹56,000 करोड़। द अमालगमेशंस ग्रुप इज एन इंडियन बिजनेस कॉन्ग्लोमरेट बेस्ड इन चेन्नई व्हिच हैज सेवरल बिजनेस इंटरेस्ट इन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ट्रैक्टर्स, प्लांटेशन, ट्रेडिंग एंड सर्विसेज। 9th पर है रेजर पे, जिसकी वैल्यूएशन है ₹63,000 करोड़। इट इज अ लीडिंग इंडियन फिनटेक कंपनी प्रोवाइडिंग फुल स्टैक फाइनेंशियल solutions for businesses including payment gateways, business banking, capital loans and payroll. Founded in 2014, it aims to simplify money management for online businesses in India and beyond, supporting growth with tools for payments, payouts and banking. 8th नंबर पर है ड्रीम 11 ₹67,000 करोड़ की वैल्यूएशन के साथ। ड्रीम 11 is India's largest fantasy sports platform, founded in 2008, allowing users to create virtual teams from real players for various sports including cricket, football, etc. इसके बाद आती है इंटास फार्मा 7th नंबर पर, जिसकी वैल्यूएशन है ₹68,000 crore. It's a major Indian multinational pharmaceutical company headquartered in Ahmedabad, focused on developing, manufacturing, biosimilars and other healthcare products, operating globally in over 85 countries. Parle is on 6th with the valuation of ₹68,700 crore. Parle is a major Indian food company founded in 1929, known for quality, value and market leadership in biscuits and confectionery. The original Parle company eventually split into distinct entities like Parle Products, Parle Agro, and all sharing the legacy but operating separately. Number 5th is occupied by Megha Engineering with ₹78,000 crore. Operating for 3 decades, Megha Engineering has grown into one of the leading supporters in India's infrastructure. Their expertise spans tunnels, ports, highways, water systems, renewable and thermal power, heavy engineering and hydrocarbon. Number 4th पे आती है Zerodha with ₹87,000 करोड़ की वैल्यूएशन के साथ। Zerodha Broking Limited is an Indian brokerage and financial services company based in Bengaluru. It offers an online trading platform that facilitates institutional and retail trading of stock, derivatives, currencies, commodities, mutual funds and more. बात करें टॉप 3 की तो Zoho is holding the 3rd position with ₹1,03,000 crore. Zoho Corporation is an Indian multinational technology company that makes cloud-based business software. Its core products include workplace productivity and collaboration software, customer relationship management software, and business management tools basically. इसके बाद second number पे आता है Serum Institute of India with the valuation of ₹2,11,000 crore. Serum Institute of India was founded in 1966. It is an Indian multinational biotechnology and biopharmaceutical company based in Pune. It is the world's largest manufacturer of vaccines by volume. Last but not the least, first position is occupied by National Stock Exchange with the valuation of ₹4,70,000 crore. It is an Indian stock exchange based in Mumbai, incorporated in 1992 to bring about transparency in the Indian equity markets. ऐसे और अपडेट्स के लिए देखते रहिए इंडिया आईपीओ। इट्स मी आर्या साइनिंग ऑफ। लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें।